What's going on YouTube? So here's an update on my 2016 Ford Focus RS. I finally went ahead and lowered the car. I went with Whiteline lowering springs. I put RokBlokz mudflaps on it. And I've also put some really cheap Amazon special rain guards on the side of it. I know they're super cheap, but they look super cool though. I mean, if they fly off at 100 miles per hour, I mean, I'll just buy another set. But I did replace the 3M they give you. I don't think it's real 3M. I think it's some kind of counterfeit adhesive or double-sided tape. So I replaced that with Gorilla Tape. Hopefully it'll hold. But they look really good. And I put the Spec-D Tuning tail lights on the rear. I have a dedicated install video with those. I think they look a lot better than the red with the stealth gray. So as far as cosmetic stuff goes, that's about all I'm going to do with the car. I dressed up the engine bay too. I'll show you guys that too here in a second. But yeah, this is the stance if you want to lower your car. This is what you'll get with the Whiteline springs. The install, I mean, it was kind of a pain in the ass. The front was anyway, especially separating the spindle. But once you get that separated, there's a little method they use where you can put a metal plate and then reverse thread the actual spindle bolt itself, and that pries the spindle open, and then you can just kind of pry the spindle down, and the shock or strut, whatever, will pop out. But anyway, interior is a little filthy right now. I don't know if I really went in depth with this or not in my last video. But as you can see, it's I got it kind of cluttered up. But I'll go ahead and show you guys under the hood right quick. So the previous owner actually gave me this carbon fiber Mountain, well, it's not a Mountain cover, but carbon fiber engine cover. I actually have no clue who makes it. I just my cousin has a Cricket, so we made that sticker and put it on there just to make it kind of pop a little bit more, because it was bland and it was actually really sun faded too. So I put Cerakote, that trim restorer, on it, so it gave it a nice glossy look. And he gave me a big box of parts, and one of the parts was this plexiglass intake cover, so I put that on. I think it looks pretty good. Engine bay looks really clean. The car is cleaned up, so it's definitely car show worthy right now. I mean, not VIP or anything like that, but I mean, it's presentable for people to come look at anyway. So one other thing I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see the tail lights. So here's the front end of the car with the fog lights and headlights on. Of course, the yellow tint on the fog lights look really good. And I'll show you guys the running lights on the tail lights. And they look super good. I'm also having the car retuned with Tune Plus. I'm going to go with the E85 tune and a 93 tune just for extra power. And since I have E85 locally, might as well try to squeeze more power out of it. But anyways, that's pretty much the gist of it. Stay tuned for more updates.